That's going to be where the offense starts. You guys see those other 2 cones? Okay, I want you to come in a little bit quicker so I don't have to yell. You guys line up on this make-believe line between these 2 cones. Okay, you guys line up. You guys are on offense. You guys need to listen so I don't have to keep telling the rules, okay? Remember we just went over that? Plus, what was the other reason why we need to listen?
So we don't get hurt.
So we don't get hurt. You can get hurt playing this game. Believe me. Okay? You guys are on defense. You guys are on offense. This game is called long ball. It's an Iroquois game. Okay? Iroquois lived in New York. They still live in New York. You still live in New York. They don't make this ball for us for today. This is the first time that this ball is going to be used today. Deer hide, sinew, and tobacco, correct?
Yeah.
And tobacco. Onondaga man made that hickory bat for me from Onondaga. So we're going to use these 2 pieces of equipment. These are 2 pieces of traditional equipment we're going to use. What's the name of this game? It's called long ball. What I'm going to do for offense is everybody on offense, put your hand out. Stick your hand out. This is called passing your hand. Here's how we start the game. I'm going to take the long ball. Stick your hands out. You're not eligible to play until the ball passes over your hand. So you guys are eligible to play now. Okay? But we're not going to. Alright? Here's the object of the game. We're going to use the bat. We're going to make a little transition here. We give the bat to right here. Hang on to the bat. You guys line up. Give yourself room. All the way down. Give yourself room. You guys give yourself room.
She's going to be swinging it, so that you don't want to be standing next to her.
Thanks, Coach. You guys keep moving all the way down. All the way down. Right here. You're going to stay right here. Here's what we want you to do. You need to stay on offense behind the imaginary line. All right? Here's defense. Here's what the offense is going to try to do. The bat, the long ball bat, is not very significant in this game that we're going to play. The bat is not that significant, okay? It's going to mainly be running and throwing this ball. Once we start the game, and I'm going to tell you when everybody's eligible, here's what you're going to want to do. You're going to leave this line. Once you leave that imaginary line, I'm all-time pitcher for now, okay? I'm all-time pitcher. Once you leave this line and you get out to try to go to those 2 cones, okay, you're going to try to come inside those cones. You guys got that? Mm-hmm. When you leave here, you're eligible to be hit by the ball or tagged. Come on out, sir. Right here. If he was on offense and I got the ball and he is out in fair play territory trying to get to the other end, all right, I can throw the ball at him. If I hit him, he's out. He comes back and he can run again. Does everybody have that?
Yes.
I can tag him. I can tag him as well. Okay? Don't hurt anybody with this ball.
It's soft. Right? It's soft anyway. So
it's soft. It's a soft ball. Okay? So we're going to play to 5 outs. What we're going to do is just play a practice half inning. We'll get to 5 outs, and then we're going to have you guys come back, and we're going to switch offense and defense. Okay. Now, offense. Pardon me?
We only got 5 minutes.
Oh, we got 5. Okay, defense, you're going to want to spread out. All right? Here's what happens. You guys, when you leave here, you can go anywhere you want. Not in front of over there, though. There's really, the only boundaries are these 4 corners. Once you guys leave there, you can go out there, you can go anywhere you want. Alright? But you can be tagged by the ball. You can be tagged by the ball. You have to come inside, you're safe over there. You're safe. You don't have to run back right away. Once you run back, you have to come inside the cones, and that's 1 point. That's what you're trying to do. You guys spread out. You're going to find out it's a team game. Here we go. You guys already passed your hand. As soon as I throw the ball, pitch it. Whether she hits it or not, you guys can start running. The name of the game is get down there, be safe, come back. You guys got that?
Then one of you have to come up and get the ball if she doesn't hit it.
You guys are spread out. You guys are catch up here real quick.
You gotta get up here and get the ball, so keep that in mind.
You guys keep coming up. You're going to learn here real quick.
That's why we're trying to get to the
This
other
is
side.
practice. Hang on to that. You guys can run whether she hits it or not. Here we go. Long ball, rendezvous, 2019. There we go.
Oh!
You guys can run.
Go!